Hi everyone, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion and welcome back to my channel. And today you will see how to crochet very interesting project with beads. You can use any kind of beads, yarn and a crochet hook. Please don't be afraid to experiment to create your own project. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And please write comment below this video what you will get with this video tutorial. Let's get started. Let's crochet the snowflake. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make slip stitch. My ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of double crochet stitches. Instead of first stitch, I'm making chain of 3. To bring up the yarn, make 17 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on till you will get 17 double crochet. While making my stitches, I removed a long piece of yarn. You can use such piece of yarn to sew a bead to the center. I am done the last double crochet plus chains to bring up the yarn. In total it should be 18. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make single crochet. Make chain of 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. This is the third double crochet not finished. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Make chain of 12 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. Insert the hook into the top, make a slip stitch. It looks like a picot. I'm making chain of 2. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. Make single crochet. Here what I have at this point. I continue working. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2. Make double crochet, not finish. Not finish, then double crochet, not finish. And make the third double crochet, not finish. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 12 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Insert the hook into the top. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 2. And single crochet into the stitch that I worked before. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this round with me. After I have done single crochet, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's stop and look. And now I show you how to join beads. For this motif, I'm using 6 different beads. I mean different shapes, colors, and etc. I will alternate with pink and blue beads. I stop at this point and now I show you the ready snowflake with beads. You can use bigger beads. I remind you I'm using a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. I put my current project. Here is my loop. I take a bead, put it on the hook, grab the working loop, pull it through. Here what I have. Let's repeat one more time. Take a bead, put it on the hook, grab the working loop, pull it through. Here what I have. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Here what I have. I'm done with beads. Sometimes people ask at me about the hole of the beads. For example, if the hole of the bead is smaller than crochet hook, in this case you should change the crochet hook to the smaller one. I am working with 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and I took 1.5 millimeters crochet hook. But in most of cases I'm using my current crochet hook. So in such kind of projects you need to have 2 crochet hooks. I continue working on my snowflake with beads. My base is ready. And now I show you how to crochet chain spaces for my snowflake. You can add a bead in a previous round or while making chain spaces. So let's crochet the next round. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Then insert the hook into the loop with bead. Make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make single crochet. Then single crochet through the next stitch. Here what I have. I stop and look at my chain spaces. I continue working on my chain spaces. Chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain of 9 for a chain space, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. I'm about to complete round 3. Once I have done single crochet stitches, insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My round 3 is ready. Here what I have. Then I am making some slip stitches. Let's crochet round 4. I insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have done 4 slip stitches. Make a chain, work into the chain space, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then half double crochet, yarn over the hook, and work into the stitches, make double crochet. Make double crochet through the next stitch, yarn over the hook twice, make treble crochet into the same stitch, and triple picot. Make chain of 3, insert the hook into the top of the stitch, make a slip stitch. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert the hook into 2 loops, make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, and slip stitch into 2 loops. My triple picot is ready. Here what I have. I continue working on my 3 and 4 chain space. Let's work with the second side. I insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet, then double crochet through the next stitch, work into the chain space, make half double crochet, and 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. You should crochet in the same way as I showed you before. I will start and you will continue with your own. Insert the hook into the next chain space, make 5 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, then half double crochet, then double crochet into the first stitch, and so on. Let's stop and look what I have done. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete this round with me. Once I have done the last stitch, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, pull a little bit, you can cut off the yarn, but I'm going to work with long loop to hang my accessories to the Christmas tree. Make a chain of 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. In your case it could be chain of 25 or 20. I'm going to work with chain of 30. I'm done my chain. Then I turn the work to the back side, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, make a chain, and to secure the yarn by making a chain. I am removing a long piece of yarn along the stitches. You can use sewing needle or crochet hook for this. I straight up my snowflake. I just need to remove long piece of yarn and add a bead to the center of the snowflake. So let's look what I have done. So that's it, my delicate snowflake is ready. My snowflake consists of 4 rounds. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project for Christmas tree. For this project I used different colors of beads and different kind of beads, of course. And for additional, I created a long loop to hang my accessories to the Christmas tree. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. First one was made of cotton yarn and the second one made of silver yarn with lurex. Let's look at the back side. As you can see, I removed my long piece of yarns along the stitches. Also decorate. Also it could be perfect gift for your friend, or it could be accessories for your home. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and bye.